My name is Rob Ferguson. I've just completed my third implant at Rocky Mount Periodontics and Implant Center. The first implant was done by Dr. Hank Strickland, and the second and the third implants were done by Dr. John Kim. I think the single most meaningful comment I can make about this wonderful practice is that between implant number 2 and implant number 3, I moved from Rocky Mount back to Raleigh. And when I learned I was going to need a third implant, I knew without doubt that I was willing to make the 6 or 8 round trips from Raleigh to Rocky Mount. That's about the number of visits that are required in the implant process. But I wanted to see Dr. Kim again and his wonderful staff, and it was well worth it to me to make 6 or 8 round trips in order to stay with Dr. Kim. I cannot say enough good about what an outstanding professional and person that he is, and every person on his staff is equally professional, friendly, and helpful in every